Dear students, today we shall study constructions. Okay? Constructions, that is Rachana. Okay? The sentence construction. In this construction, we construct two sentences with the help of correlative conjunctions. Okay? So here in the constructions, we connect two sentences with the help of correlative conjunctions. For example, either or, neither nor, not only but also, as well as soon as, no sooner than. Okay, student? So today we shall study the constructions one by one. First of all, we shall study the first construction with the help of correlative conjunction, that is either or. Either or. Okay, students? It means when we give an alternative, then we use either or. Okay? It means you have option of selecting only one. When we say sometimes, do you want this or that? It means in this sentence you have an option of selecting this thing or that thing. That time we use either or. Okay? One of the two things. Okay? It means one of the two things. Okay, students? Yes. So let's have an example now. The first example. Students, just now I have told you in constructions we connect two sentences together with the help of correlative conjunction. Here we are learning the use of either or. Okay. So here two sentences are there. Mother may be in the kitchen or mother may be in the hall. Okay, student. In these two sentences we see here some parts of the sentences are similar. For example, the first part of the first sentence, mother may be, is similar with mother may be in the second sentence. Okay. So let's underline the similar part and let's separate it with a slant line. The first part and the second part in the second sentence will be separated by two slant lines. So we can understand easily and we can understand how to use either or and where. Okay, students? So here we have to use either or with the most related things. Okay, student? For example, now see how we can do the construction. So similar part we will write first. Mother may be. So this is the similar part. Now here where we have drawn a slant line, there we can use either. Okay, either in the kitchen okay, students. Now we can write or use or in the place of the two slant lines. Okay, in the hall. So this is the construction by using either or. Mother may be either in the kitchen or in the hall. Okay, students, have you understood now? Again, one more example. See, students. Father gives me money. This is the first. Second, mother gives me money. Students, in this sentence, the subject, father and mother, both are subjects. Okay. The rest of the part is similar one. Gives me money. Gives me money. So we will put here slant line in front of the father and mother. So where is a slant line? There we can use either, and where we find the two slant line, there we can use or. So the sentence will be like this. Okay. Either father or mother, okay, gives me money. Okay, student, have you understood now? So here either father or mother gives me money. Okay, have you understood now? So here in this sentence, subject is similar, different one. Subjects are different one. Okay, okay students, yes. So here either father or mother gives me money. Okay students, very good. So here we have used either and here we have used or. Okay. Now students, let's have one more example where we will find the verbs are different. Okay, verbs are different. If verbs are different, how to construct the sentence with the help of either or? Okay, let's have an example. She sings a song. Okay, the second sentence I will write here. She writes a song. So here in this sentence, she is the subject. Here in the second sentence also, she is the subject, means both are similar. Sings is the verb, and here in the second sentence, writes is the verb. So verbs are different one. Verbs are different one. As I told you, we have to put the slant line in front of the not similar things. Okay, so here we will put the slant line. See, the sentence will be like this. She either sings a song or writes a song. Okay, got it? The she subject is similar, okay, and rest part is different one. So the sentence will be she either sings a song or writes a song. Okay student, have you understood now? Students, we will have one more example. Okay, how to connect the sentences when the objects are different. Different objects. Okay, let's have an example. See, Rohan eats an apple. Second sentence, Rohan eats a banana. Okay, so here Rohan subject is there, here Rohan is the subject, both are similar one. its verb is similar one in the both sentence. An apple, a banana. Okay, both are objects. Okay, both are objects and both are different one. Okay, so we will put a slant line here and double slant line here. The sentence will be now, Rohan eats either an apple or a banana. So we have used or in the place of double slant line and either in the place of single slant line. Okay, students, have understood now how to use either and or. Okay, so here we have learned when the subjects are different, how to use either or. When the verbs are different, how to use either or. Then we have studied when the objects are different, how to use either or. Okay, students, have understood? Very good.